Ducati Performance exhaust systems complete the experience of riding a bike from Borgo Panigale. Unique pieces, light and high-performing, they are designed by a team of engineers and designers together with our best partners, like Akrapovič and Termignoni. A careful selection of materials like carbon and titanium make these systems particularly light, weighing almost 50% less than standard exhausts. Available today for the Panigale, Diavel, Multistrada 1200, Multistrada 1200 Enduro, Monster and Hyper Motard ranges. Ducati Performance silencers are available in both racing and type-approved versions. Racing exhaust systems were designed to achieve maximum performance on the track, increasing torque, power and responsiveness. Type-approved exhausts are the perfect solution for those who often use their bikes on the street. They maintain unique characteristics like design, technology and materials. Type-approved exhausts, recognizable by their type approval plate, comply with the strict parameters required by regulations in terms of noise and environmental pollution, and are the only ones that can be ridden on the street. Ducati Performance exhausts, with their unique design, reduce the overall weight of the bike and improve its sound and performance. The new technical solutions transform these systems into premium elements with great appeal.